I think this was for adolescents, that young actor there. He was the youngest to win in that category.
I'm so far behind. I'm still watching Hill Street Blues. I'm way behind on my shows.
Yeah, Chips, you still got that on your
that song is
I know,
a jam,
but
though.
Noah Wiley in The Pit after ER for so many years. That if you have not seen The Pit, got to watch it, but you got to be able to look at a little blood.
Okay. 5:15.
This morning, the smell of freshly baked bread is in the air. The International Baking Expo is back in town. They're showing off their best buns in the oven.
JC Fernandez, live at the Las Vegas Convention Center with a look at some of the latest trends. JC, you got a bun in the oven over there? Actually, out of the oven right here. Big decision. Do I do bread or I do donut? I'm gonna do donut, guys. It's amazing out here. I want everyone to meet. This is Jorge, and he's with Grupo Bimbo. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, JC.
There is a lot that's going to be happening here on the show floor when things kick off this morning at 10 a.m. What exactly happens at the International Baking Expo?
Well, this is the largest show we have in this hemisphere. And all the bakers and equipment manufacturers gather, also ingredient suppliers gather just to supply solutions for the industry and help the industry to grow.
In your business, how many different brands do you represent?
Well, in the United States, we have several brands that your audience may know, like Zarate, Bimbo, Marinela, Thomas, Entenmann's. All those brands, Oro Wheat, all those brands are also under our
company. Are you the man behind Thomas's English muffins?
Well, I'm just in the supply chain, the global supply chain.
Those are my favorite muffins of all time. I grew up on those. Those are so good. What are we looking at here? Because this is industry stuff.
This is part of the vendors of the equipment. This is a machine that from Rondo that they model the dough that we produce to produce croissants, Danish, sweet de gros, some other sweeties and breads as well.
This is one big assembly line here for croissants?
This is just the modeling part. After these, you go to the proofer, then the oven, and then continue producing the bread.
Okay, over here, Lyle, if we turn to your left, this machine over here, how does...
Well, this is a cooling tower. This company helps us on defining and making solutions for cooling, freezing, cleaning inside as well for the cooling the conveyors, and that helps us to cool down the products, keeping the quality that we need.
So majority of items are cooled room temperature?
Yes, we do extraction from our bakeries, but we control the environment so that we can do it steady.
Okay, we're just getting started. I know coming up we're going to be trying some breads, doing some eating. This donut's delicious.
Well,
this was freshly made by some donut company over there. It's so good. The International Baking Expo, it's underway. We're just getting started. I'm going to send it back to you guys in the studio.
Wow. They've come a long way from cooking in Grandma's kitchen, right?
Yeah, that cooling area there, it looks like it was something from like Star Wars with the coils around it and everything. That was very, very cool.
They own so many brands. They own Entenmann's, and I mean, and huge.
Yeah, Bimbo is a huge company, and cool to see them here in Las Vegas at this enormous expo.
Yeah,
now we're
that
hungry.
Machinery. It's there's not anybody in there just kneading all the dough and putting the bread in the oven.
5:18 here. It is Monday morning. Time to look at the weather forecast.